good, Bigley? Long time no see. Currently, we are at my people's car wash at this detailing shop. I got Selena's car with me that we are going to be renting out on Turo. I just want to show y'all before and after. We're about to get this car detailed clean. So I'm going to show you guys the before and after real quick so you can see exactly how this car looked. It's super dirty. The interior looks like just crazy. Exterior, super gray, ashy. So let me go ahead show you guys what this car is looking like. I'm gonna show you a little bit of the process of these guys cleaning up. These guys are super professionals. These guys are tough. Let me go show you guys this, and then you'll see the after when they're done. That was an in and out view of the car before. My guys touch it up and get this car detailed clean. You guys are doing the inside, the engine too, right?
Yeah.
You guys do that in there too. Let me show that. Let me guys show you the engine real quick because there's some oil leaking in there. They're about to clean this out as well. And this is top quality business. These guys, they work the best. If you want to come see them, come tap in. Right here, here's my guys who come tap in with them, the best workers right here. You feel me? They clean the engine and everything right now. This shit's dirty as shit. When you see this when it's done, it's gonna be unbelievable. This is how they work. They work good. Great work in the Chambersburg area. So guys, I haven't been making content, haven't picked up the camera again in a couple of weeks. But we are back and we are making better than ever content. I told you guys that we're starting a rental business on Turo. Don't pay attention to the zit on my chin. I know this shit look crazy as shit right now. But like I said, car rental business on Turo, we still haven't gave up yet. This journey has been hard. There's been stuff that I have not recorded that I had to do. Like this car right here has been having issues. There was oil leaking from the engine because there was a bolt that wasn't tightened enough or the washer was missing. So it caused a big issue that I had to fix. Parking sensors need fixed on this car, so it'll stop beeping, like the mirror sensors and shit like that. Like I said, this has been a journey. I need a sensor fix on the Volkswagen still. Haven't been able to find the piece for the seat to fix it yet, but we working. Both cars are listed. Let me show you guys that real quick. Both cars are listed on Turo. We are in full effect. No cap. This is not a game, this is not a joke, and it's not a drill. We're going all the way up. Big LA baby, yeah. All right, guys, I don't have my microphone with me, and as they behind me cleaning the car and shit like that, I just want to tell you, like I said again, this journey been long, it's been crucial, it's been a whole lot of hard work, and I just hope that I can make it to where I want to go. I hope like this shit's not all for nothing, and I believe I can do it. I hope you guys can believe I can do it, and whatever I got going on, you could do the same shit too. Like, I'm just trying to sit here and show you guys that anything is possible. Whatever you want to do that you put your mind to, bro, it can happen. I'm like, right now I'm really determined, I'm focused, and I feel like as long as I got that, this shit's gonna work out for me. Right, no cap, big league, we going up. This car is dirty as shit right now. We're getting this shit clean. This shit was just fucked up. Nice shit was going on, and now we on a whole new chapter. And then my car, that shit a little sweet too. And hopefully we get, after this, we can build up the fleet and go further from there. And I hope you guys enjoying watching me grow and seeing the grind and the process. Because this is not easy, I promise you. Let's go. These guys are the best of the best workers, man. I'm about to head out of here right now. Selena's about to come pick me up. And we're gonna come see the car later. See how they finished it up real quick. But these guys are the best of the best workers here. The car's not even done yet. This shit looks sexy. Like, look at this rim right now. See how this fucking rim looks? How clean this shit looks right now, bro? Like, oh my God. Pay attention to the details. That shit clean as a bitch. And mind you, they just getting started. The job's not finished. It's definitely not done. They just getting started, bro. This shit's about to be crazy, bro. If you're not tapped in, I'm telling you, tap in. Sharanga Spa, right there. Y'all see it. Tap in. That's the Instagram. Go follow me as well. If you're not following me already, follow me. Big LA Baby 2.0 on IG. This shit going all the way up, man. The best. I'm telling you, the best that's doing it. They got it. My boy got it. Big League, I'm back at the house right now. I left the car wash. I had to go back because I took the key from them and they needed the key to unlock the car and stuff like that because they took a break and the car fucking self-locked itself. But anyways, I just took them the key. I'm back home though after dropping that off to them. And I'm just really excited on how this outcome is. I already know my guys are gonna do the best that they can. Like I said, if you want to tap in with the best of the best, go tap into their Instagram, which is like right here somewhere. We're gonna put it. And yeah, this shit going up all the way. Big League, we can't be stopped, bro. Like I said, this been a long and hard journey. But we got this shit. We're going all the way up. Yeah. All right, guys, I just got the text that the car is finished. I'm about to go pick it up right now. Mama Duke's right here with me. She's over here eating chicken and french fries. But we're about to go pick up this car. And y'all about to see the final product, how detailing went. I'm sorry, I just woke up. I can't talk for shit right now, it seems like. I had to take a little nap. I was tired while the car was getting washed. Alright guys, we just got to the spot, the detailing spot, and we're about to go look at the car. I don't know if I should like, they about to, oh my God. Damn, hold on, wait, do that, you could close it back and do it again for the camera and open it. Ma, tell him. So I can open it for the video. That's tough, bro, hold on. So we're about to reveal the car right now. 3, 2, 1. Ah, this is tough. He bodied that. Yeah. This shit tough. I always say that every vid, but nah, this vid, I'm dead ass. Y'all see this shit? Oh my gosh. I don't think I showed y'all before the hood, but this shit was so dirty. I popped the hood though, so y'all was able to see it in the beginning. Oh my gosh. Perfecto. Perfecto. Oh my gosh, this shit's dirty. Let me show y'all the inside. Hold on. This shit is dirty. think he did his thing, guys. Amazing job, bro. Chef's touch. Chef's kiss in here, bro. This shit was fucked up. Now that shit, Ma, what you think? You said what? Smell good, it look good? Yeah. Taste good, everything alright in here? Dominicano! Dominicano! See, yo, these the best guys right here, bro. Tap in. 10 out of 10, they got the best work, bro. Come in with them. Volkswagen going in there next. Look how dirty she is. Damn. This one's already clean for real. Look at that, sir. This one already a little cleaned up, not a heavy job and shit. Before, I'm gonna show y'all the after. Damn, I got some bullshit in here I meant to take out. Bruh. Let's see how this come out. Yeah. Mom, what you think, yo? This shit looking sexy right here right now. That shit looking cherry red right now. Yeah. Get it sexy. Get it sexy. Get it sexy. Get it sexy, girl, all that ass super fat. I ain't lying, girl, all that ass super fat. How niggas feel off a clean new car. Come get this shit done, man. You already know what the fuck going on.
Hey, mi gente, Charanga Spy. Estoy aquí obsequiándole este gorro a mi hermano Lab.
Yeah.
Charanga el Boto de Daily.
I'm locked in now, certified. Nobody got one of these hats, bro. Oh! And nobody's getting their car done like this from, nobody's getting their car done out here like this, bro. He's the best. He do it the best, I'm telling you. I'm locked in, certified now. Charanga Spa. We turning up. You feel me? Tap in. Yeah.
Ya lo sabes. ¿Qué es lo que es? Nos fuimos.
Nos fuimos.
¿Cómo lo vamos?
Ya lo sabes. Con el carro limpio.
Todo eso va de orden.
Ya lo sabes.
Shit going up, man. Bro, my mother getting tell them what you just said. My mother getting mad at me because I'm not speaking Spanish. I forget my Spanish.
Like you don't know, like nigga, you talking Spanish in New York to your grandma, everybody else. Nigga, you better speak that.
I be forgetting that shit. But we getting to work already. Next car. Yeah. Let me show y'all one more time. Charanga Spa, we going up. Fast work too. Already in the back seat. Fast but detailed work, bro. I'm telling you. He's not missing a spot. Yo, chat. How you liking my new hat? Look at that, baby. Look at that fucking beauty right there. Just one more time, show y'all. This shit is fucking crazy, man. Take care of y'all whips, man. This shit look like you could purchase a car off the lot right now. Good, clean car, guys. I love it. I'm locked in now with my hat. Ma, what you think? Why are you coughing?
Nigga, you had all the windows up after they clean. You know how much toxic is in here right now?
I just smoke fresh Febreze. But damn, what you think about my hat?
Your hat's popping. Now you done with the Dominican crew. You done with the Guaraguaras.
Guys, we locked in. All right, Big League, we just got back to the house. Car right there. Should I wake Selena up right now and get her reaction? Huh, Ma? What y'all think, chat? I think I'm gonna wake her up. Boom. So we're gonna go wake Selena up and get her reaction. Even though she probably won't get up. Hey, Selena. Come look at the car. Come look at it. Get up real quick. Bigly wants to see a reaction to the car.
Can I react to it when I'm fully awake, please?
Right from around. We're gonna time travel to later when Selena's up. All right, chat, we back at the spot and my car is now done. I've been tired all day, man. Look at this shit. What a beauty. Best work you're gonna see out here. Right now I'm at Mason-Dixon Auto Auction and we're gonna see if we can get a car for this rental business. See if we can get another car. My sister's about to come too. We're gonna see if we can get a car for her. And yeah, that's what we on today. We lit, right? Mama D with me. Shit active. Like, comment, subscribe. I'm gonna tell y'all that right now. Yeah. Shit lit. We at the auction right now. Shit going all the way up. All right, guys, I gotta go in here and get my buyer's card real quick. I should have brought my microphone. I don't know if you guys can hear me. Let's go. Hopefully I got all the stuff I need so I can get my buyer's card. I'm pretty sure I do though. All right, guys, I'm about to grab my buyer's card. We'll see you in a second. Had to get myself one of these real quick, and then I gotta get another piece of paper. Boom, big league. I had to get my bidder's card and my number. Now we active. I'm about to head to the lot and see what they got right now. $1,700 for that Benz right there. Selling right now. I'm about to go see what's in this lot real quick. All right, guys, I was trying to go to my mother and Destiny, but they're not answering me. They got a Benz right here. That's $550. I think this is about to go for it. Ew. Ew. Shit nasty. That shit look nasty from the jump though. This shit's even worse. This shit blowing out white smoke. Look. This is wild. What the fuck? Okay, my mother's trying to find my sister. Alright guys, let's try to get in this lot and see what cars we can get. Let's see what we got here. I don't know what they ran already. Anything that's facing forward, I'm pretty sure. They run this Durango. Yeah, I think anything that's facing forward, they ran already. 172,000 miles.
You know how I look, right?
We gotta find the cars that are facing forward. That's the one they didn't run. Damn, they ran this Q50 already. Oh no, I need to go back and start paying attention. They just ran that Lexus, they just ran this. So I need to pay attention to all these cars back there. I don't know about that right there. Another Volkswagen, how many miles? Tints on it already. 146. No lights. Big screen. This is the only thing that's missing. What y'all think, Big League? This one got 146,000 miles. It look fake clean. Got a seat cover on it, so I don't know what's under that seat. All black. What's this? Oh, the cover to the key. Another little, oh, this is a Passat at that too. Oh yeah, I'm fucking with this. Yeah, let me see if I can get this shit. I like this, I might buy this. I already got a Volkswagen, but you feel me? We gotta find something. This one over here look like shit. Let's keep on looking, keep on looking. Trying to find my dream car right now. I'm trying to make my fucking rental car business go all the way the fuck up. I don't like none of these cars, man. They got a Jeep right here. Let's see how this shit is. 140,000. Oh. This shit sound like it's dying. Literally. Hope nobody buys this car. That shit sounds crazy. What's up, bro? This look like a good rental car right here. Easy renter. Damn, they moving fast today, bro. They better rerun some cars or something, I don't know. I feel like I didn't get the chance to see shit. They ran all these cars, so there's no point in me looking at them. I'm gonna just go back in there and see what they selling. Hell no, that Beamer's a 5 Series. That shit probably got everything wrong with it. Yeah, let's go head in there right now. Damn, there's a whole nother lane I didn't look at, but I didn't want to miss the cars. She's not with Destiny. My mom been looking for my sister and she has not found her. What the hell?
15, 16, rolling. That's on 631. You're out. 21. 22 in a green shirt. 22. 22. 23. Is that a yes? I can't tell. 26. Car. 23. 26.
Guys, this is what be happening in our car auction.
1,500. Jessica. 15, 16. Now you're out, sir. 16, 17. Thank you. It will be sold, Jessica. If you want it. 17, 18. You're done? Okay. 18. okay, so well, that's what I was going to do. So back into the 1700 and going to do 189. You want me to all cheer? All right, 1350 phone call, and it's 121. Yeah, I know your number, buddy.
Yo, comment what y'all think these cars gonna sell for. What you think this Jeep gonna sell for right here? Hood fucked up.
4 or 5.
Sixteen, 17, 18, sir, 18 for this car, 1800, 19, sir.
I mean, if the Uber would have did that to me, I would be tight too.
22, 22, give 2150.
127. That's it. Not going for 500 anywhere. I'm fake getting tired of holding this camera.
I can sell it to you for 32.
That Volkswagen gonna go for like 15,000.
$3,000 now too. Roll that.
He's got 3,500 up here. Can you give me like 3? What's a motion to pay? 28. Help me, son. 28. 2,800 sold. 2,800 sold. That's good, bro. 92.46. 92.46. Sold. Thank you. What are number 85? Looky here. Number 85.
2,800 Ford Focus. What was that? 2014. 2,800. We got a Hyundai Elantra right here. 133,000 miles. 133. They didn't even sell it? I lied, it didn't sell. I thought it sold for 28. 88,000 miles, that's a brand new car. I ain't seeing shit right now. Alright guys, not too much of it to this video. I got my Volkswagen 2015 behind me, Volkswagen Jetta. That's just got finished getting detailed clean. Like I said, come fuck with my team on the detail cleaning. If you want to tap in, comment down below in this video. Like, comment, subscribe. I hope y'all enjoyed it. You feel me? Shout out to the guys. Everything went good. Appreciate y'all. But like I said, we out of here. Big Ugly Baby, Big League. Let's go. We turning up. Rental car business going up. Tap in.